Hello guys, how are you doing? And I hope so that you would be fine. I'm also fine. So today I am at my fields in my village, and as you know that I am from this village, and I am telling you the journey of mine where I started from and how am I feeling now this time. Means as I started, I took my whole schooling from village, and after that, after taking that schooling, I went to city, and after that, I realized that the environment of city is totally different from the villages. So I got surprised while I saw some time in the starting that people are speaking English. The environment totally in the village is different from the cities. In village, everybody knows you and everybody speaks about you, and like everybody, chacha ji, tau ji, uncle ji, baba, bhaiya. So this is the same with the people. Now time has become 4:30 and everybody is gone to the house. Means people were working in the backside, they were working in the backside, and they have gone because I have come after 4:30, so it won't be possible for me just to, because I was very busy. So I decided today that I have to start some blogging there in my village. So I came to the fields. So today I am going to discuss this topic with you, that importance of English in our daily life and how could you improve your English. As you know it very well that English is very much important in today's scenario, and I you know what I decided that uh, how to improve your English, importance of English. We are going to talk about this thing. Importance of English, if I am talking about that, you can get a job by, if you are having a great knowledge, you can get your confidence as well. You can get the material which is required for anybody, like in the science, technology, arts, literature. You can get it in the English, and it is the language of communication. you know if people are speaking English, like India is a very big country, and in every place you will see, if you see in every place, people are speaking different languages. And for that one uh, for that one what happens, for that one, people are just not connected with each other. I cannot speak Tamil, somebody speaks Gujarati, somebody speaks Marathi, and somebody speaks Assamese, I don't know. So it means that this is the medium of connectivity or medium of communication with the people. So in that condition, or if I am talking with a person who is from out of the country, like from US, America, Tanzania, South Africa, African, Colombia, or you can say many more countries are there in the world. And if I am trying to talk with them, that it won't be possible for me to connect with them. So first thing, English is the medium of communication. And second thing, if you say that second thing is this one, that it is the medium of earning also. Like I am teaching to the students of English now this time. But if you are able to teach to the students, you can earn. And if your English is very good, you can just start working there in the call centers, and many more places are there where you can work. If you know a knowledge about, if you know a lot more about the English, you can start working with the multinational company, international companies on the higher post also. So I am here to tell you that how can you improve your English. First thing here there, so according to us, there are many things by which one, following by that thing, you could start speaking English without any problem. First thing there, uh, if you start making, first thing, if you start making sentences, it means that if you have got the knowledge regarding grammar, if your grammar is not clear, if you want to speak with your friends, you can never speak. You don't know how to make the sentence. I'm showing you. If you don't know how to make sentence, won't be possible for you. No. It means there sentence formation is the key. First thing, sentence formation is the key. And if you start making sentences, for that one, you have to make practice, and you have to take knowledge from a great teacher anywhere in your surrounding, because many things are available on the internet, in the books, but if you are not having any great teacher, you can never learn anything. Second thing, go for the practice as much as possible. uh, if you don't make practice for the long time, you can never speak English. It means for speaking English, you have to do one thing, that you have to start speaking with your friends in the friend circle very easily. Sometime you are trying to people that who are not aware of English, and how would you then make the practice of this thing? In that condition, I would say one thing, if nobody is there in your surrounding, in your family background, in your friendship, so you could do one thing, you could start speaking with yourself. Like, take an example, like you can learn the conversation between two people, mother and father, mother and son, son and sister and brother. What the sentences are being spoken by those, you learn them and you start making, or you start speaking with them. Okay, so by doing those, by doing this thing, you will improve yourself without any problem. Okay, so this is there. And after that, whenever you have any opportunity, people think that what should I do, what would I do, where to use it, until like you have learned, and until after that you are not using that thing. In whenever you have any chance to speak, you are not trying to speak. Like, I'm in my village and I'm trying to speak with you people, the people there are, they are laughing at me, because they are not aware of that one, what am I speaking now this time. So I'm speaking that whenever you have any chance, don't feel shy. Don't feel shy. Whenever you have any chance, you should try to speak as much as possible, because English is not for shyness. English is not for, it is not a matter of shame. You have to start making your practice as much as possible, like I do whenever I go in the malls and anywhere now the same, and in the market. Whenever I have any chance, I have made some groups on the online, where I try to speak with the friends and the friend circle, and they are ready to speak with us. Okay, next, as by doing so, keep, if you just keep on doing so, you will improve your English. I'm telling you a story of mine, that once I was not very much good at English. So you know what happened after that? Once I went to a party, I told you in the earlier past also, that once I went to a party, and there it was a marriage party, and I had put on the great clothes from my village, and I went to city, and there I tried to see everybody, that everybody was looking, and they were speaking English good. So after that, you know what happened, that they started speaking English, and I was amazed that how could I speak English with them. And after that, I got surprised that I wanted to speak with them, but I could not speak English. So they laughed at me, and I tried again to speak with them. I tried again to speak with them, but I could not. That day I felt very much ashamed. I felt really ashamed at that day, that I know a lot about grammar, but I could not. So that day I came to know that only having the knowledge of grammar is not important. What is important? If you start making conversation, or if you start making practice, until you start making practice, you can never learn anything. So that is the thing I'm saying. So keep on talking with your friends and the friend circle, until you start doing so, you can never speak. So I will bring you this series until I am in my village. I will bring something for you to improve your English. How could you improve your English? I will bring this blog for you, and some classes will be there on the board. I will just try to provide these some classes on the board. But as I am from a village, and I told you that I want to show you my house. This is my house, as you can see in the back side. This is my house. You know, we are now this time in city, but this is our old house when my father stayed here. So we are from this house, and if I am a person from the village, I can speak English so you can also, there is no confusion. If you people just decide or desire to speak in English, you could speak, nobody could stop you at that time. So I want to say one thing: if you like this video, please support me, please keep on subscribing me and share me, and anything you suggest me, I would be there to help you, to help you also. And I want to learn something from the places or something from you also. So please try to support me. I am from this village and I want to make you assure you will be speaking English. This is my guarantee. I am taking guarantee of this one, that you will surely speak English without any problem. But you have to work. Until you start working, until you follow me, until you start just going for the conversation, you can never speak English. So I want to tell you one thing: keep on talking, and just I will get some groups for you, as you can start speaking with yourself, and in the groups you will find the people. You can text me or you can message me, and I'm making you sure 100%. I'm just taking guarantee that you will speak English. Either you are from village or from city, it is not a matter is this thing, that if you have desired, if you have decided once, you have to speak, you will speak, you will speak, and you will speak. This is my guarantee. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and like my video and share, as well as push the notification button. See you in the next day. Bye bye. And before going to bye bye, I will show you my village. This is my village, as you can see that where I am standing now this time. Here is a place. Oh my god, it's very, you can see, it's very amazing. And hope so. See you in the next video. Bye bye.